Hi everyone, before I go step by step on how I made my vegan menudo, I wanted to show you the size difference between both dry and hydrated snow mushroom. Okay, now that you've seen, I want to thank everybody for showing love on my last video. I totally was not expecting it to go viral. So now we're here, now let me show you how I did it. After I removed all the seeds from the peppers, except for the arbol, I toasted them in a hot pan. After I finished toasting my peppers in the pan, I add garlic, onion, and a tomato that I cut in half. Once the tomato and garlic start to get a little color on them, I remove them and add them to a pot along with the peppers and water. I bring the peppers to a boil and then I reduce the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, now here's the ingredients for the second portion of the recipe. After I saute my onions in a little bit of olive oil, I add my water. While the water in the pot is coming to a simmer, I prep my snow mushroom to bite-sized pieces. Now to the pot, I add my snow mushroom, hominy, and all the seasonings and spices that I have listed. Hey, I just wanted to say, make sure the oregano that you're using is Mexican oregano and not European oregano, okay? Okay, now it's time to blend the red chilies for the menudo. To the blender, I also add half a cup of hominy. After you blend everything, make sure you strain it. Use a spatula or spoon to push everything through. At this point, the menudo has been cooking for about an hour. Now add my blended chilies, stir, and let it cook for an additional 45 minutes. There he goes, dipping bread in the menudo again. It's how I first had it growing up, and it's how I'm going to continue eating it. So please enjoy it any way you wish to. Hey, thanks again. Peace.